Previously, I showed you how to secure your car by adding a door sensor. This sensor is tied into your house alarm system, so it can alert you or help you with automations. For instance, when this door is open, my garage door automatically unlocked for me to enter. Today, we'll make the project even better. Instead of using 5 door sensors for all 4 doors and the trunk, all we need is just one sensor. And instead of constantly replacing the 12-volt battery of the door sensor, we'll tap into the 12-volt supply of the car. No more buying costly tiny batteries. Of course, this method is a little harder and you will need to know how to solder. Here's the door sensor without the case. We need to solder 2 wires in, the positive and negative. We're very fortunate that this door sensor uses 12 volts as well. Most car also provides 12 volts power, including the car that we'll work on, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. The trick we use today will be super simple. As soon as the door, any door, is open, the cabin light will be lit. By tapping into any of the lights that is on, we'll get 12 volts to power up the sensor. As soon as the sensor gets 12 volts, it sends out a 433 MHz signal. Once you get that 433 MHz signal, you can do whatever you want, including house alarms and automations as mentioned earlier. For more detailed information on sniffing out 433 MHz signal, please check out this video. Let's go into the cabin of the Ioniq 5. Here's the dome light in the back. All you have to do is use one of these small ice picker, jam it into here, and then push it out. The diffuser is really easy to pop out and does not require much force. In order to remove this whole thing, all you have to do is press this in the back, like so, towards that way, and then pull down. This is going to be very hard to do one hand, but I'll try my best. It requires a little more force than the previous step. There we go. It is attached to this one short cable with 3 wires. You can see right here, this yellow, black, and yellow. The yellow are both 12 volts with black being ground. Let's take a closer look at this light module. The Phillips screwdriver is actually not holding this whole thing in place. It's actually holding these 2 plastic pieces right here. 1, 2. So when you insert this back in, this is the alignment that it should be like that, straight. And then if you really want to lock it up in place, use the screwdriver to twist it like so, 90 degrees. On that side and on this side, twist it 90 degrees and it will lock into position. This will make it extremely hard to pry it out later on. So that's why I always leave it in the straight position. It's going to be hard to do one hand, but I'll try. There you go. Can you see it? This is now parallel with this black piece. And this is still perpendicular to this black piece right here. If you have a different car, you'll need a multimeter to determine which is ground and which is 12 volts when the light is lit. For the Ioniq 5, I found out this is it. This is the positive end right here. And this is the ground right here on the third one from the left. Alright, here is the final look of the result before I pop everything back in. Here you can see the positive in red, negative into the third position as mentioned earlier, into this 433 MHz sensor. Alright, hopefully this video helps secure your vehicle or help with home automations. I'm always curious how you would use it. Please let me know in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.